How can you represent a fraction in a variety of ways? Charlene wants to leave 1/6 of her garden empty. What are some different ways Charlene can plant the rest of her garden?
There's more than one answer to this question.
Into how many equal parts is the garden divided? The garden is divided into 6 equal parts. What is the name of each part? Each part is named 1/6. How much of the garden will be planted? 5/6 of the garden will be planted. Decompose means to break into parts. Compose means to combine parts. The fraction of the garden that Charlene will plant can be decomposed in more than one way. One way. Charlene could plant 4 1/6 sections with blue flowers and 1 1/6 section with red peppers. What do 4/6 and 1/6 represent? 4/6 represents the fraction of the garden that is planted with blue flowers, and 1/6 represents the fraction of the garden that is planted with red peppers. What does the sum 5/6 represent? 5/6 is the fraction of the entire garden that is planted. How can you show this in an addition equation? Select the fractions to see which parts of the garden they represent. 5 of the 6 sections are filled. 4 of the 5 filled sections are blue flowers. 1 of the 5 filled sections is red peppers. The addition equation 5/6 equals 4/6 plus 1/6 shows this way to plant the garden. Another way. Charlene could plant 1 1/6 section with green beans, 1 1/6 section with yellow squash, 1 1/6 section with red peppers, and 2 1/6 sections with blue flowers. Select the fractions to see which parts of the garden they represent. 5 of the 6 sections are filled. 1 of the 5 filled sections is green beans. 1 of the 5 filled sections is yellow squash. 1 of the 5 filled sections is red peppers. 2 of the 5 filled sections are blue flowers. Does 4/6 plus 1/6 equal 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 2/6? How do you know? Yes, because both expressions are equal to 5/6. 4/6 plus 1/6 equals 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 2/6. Now you know how to represent a fraction in a variety of ways.